everyone, I'm Dr. Tenisovsky, and today I am going to do my very own miraDry treatment. So this is a machine that helps reduce sweating, and it's permanent sweat reduction. So it is a great option for people who have underarm sweating that they just do not like, and they don't want to do any type of Botox injections, which usually have to be repeated every 3 to 4 months. So this is a great long-term option for patients, and I'll be doing the treatment on myself today. So very excited. Stay tuned. So right now I'm getting my underarms numb for the procedure, so this helps with comfort during the actual procedure. I do not feel any of this. These are the little tiny needles, so this is already comfortable, so I'm not too worried about having any issues during the treatment. So the numbing usually lasts for a few hours and it should be kind of gone by the rest of the day. And that'll make sure that I get a really good treatment. So we're doing tumescent numbing, which is kind of like a really dilute anesthetic that goes under the skin and allows us to kind of use more volume and make the whole area nice and numb. And I have Courtney here doing our numbing. She's a physician assistant. Hi, Courtney.
Hello.
And she is very gentle with the needle, so this will be perfect. Yeah, I already can't even feel anything. Everything's feeling kind of numb already, so this is great.
We measure the underarm before we do the treatment. So what we do is we look for the hair growth. Her hair starts at about right here and then ends about right here. So you line it up. And she is 120/70, so that's one of our smaller templates. Usually you can just tell by looking at someone if they're going to be on the smaller side. So Dr. A is going to use 120/70.
We're about to begin the treatment. So this kind of, on the screen right now, you'll see the settings. So it goes through 1 through 5. So we automatically put on the highest settings. That gives us our best treatment. And you can kind of see right here, the template is already on my underarm. So this kind of guides the person doing the treatment on where they're going. And we're about to begin. So I'm here doing the treatment, and what this does is it kind of has like a suction device. So it's pulling up the sweat glands into the treatment head, and this heats them up safely away from any important underlying structures. So this kills about 2% of sweat glands. A lot of people will ask about what happens if you sweat in other areas. So we've really never seen that, and we've done hundreds of treatments, and really only 2%, and you don't really have any compensatory sweating elsewhere. And I don't feel anything right now during the treatment. So it kind of just feels like a little bit of suction, really no discomfort during the treatment at all. And it kind of makes this really musical sound here in the background like you're watching a movie. So if you have any other questions, go ahead and submit on our Instagram feed. I would say just make sure too that you have like a week before an event, so that way if you do get any swelling after the treatment from the numbing medication, that all of that will go down by that time. Another benefit from miraDry too is it helps with reducing underarm hair. So one of the beneficial side effects is thermal reduction of the hair in that area. So that is one benefit, especially light-haired people will notice. Sometimes laser hair removal does not work on individuals with like red hair or blonde hair, but they probably will get a reduction in hair in the underarm using miraDry, since it is thermal heat. So it's a little bit of a different type of energy. All right, I'm on my last pulse. So, and this is an instant result, so I'll be able to kind of tell right away if I need to do a second treatment or not, and that would be done 3 months out. On a scale of 1 to 10, on 10 being the most uncomfortable, 1 being the least uncomfortable, I'd say it was maybe like a 1 to a 2. So everything went pretty well, and I'm excited for the results.